Hello everyone, I'm Krishna. In this video, we are gonna focus on finding the derivatives of exponential and logarithmic function. So the first formula for the exponential, if they give any exponential value like e power x, simply you have to differentiate the e power x, and again you have to differentiate the x value. And the second formula is for logarithmic. So if they give the a power x value, simple. First you have to find out ln a times of a power x. The one thing, the a power always greater than 0. And one more thing, a is does not equal to 1. And the third, if they give the value of logarithmic a x, so if you want to differentiate, simply have to 1 divided by ln a times of x you have to find out. So here also the a value always greater than 0 and it does not equal to 1. Now we have to focus on some common problem based on this topic. So the first problem, we have to take fx value which is equal to exponential of x square plus 5. The simple thing, first I have to write the same. So e power x square plus 5. And the second thing, I have to differentiate the x value. So it's a x square. So I have to differentiate it, changes to x power of 1. So simple, I have to rearrange the formula 2x times of e power x square plus 5. So it's a finalized answer for the question. So second question, I have to take the y value which is 5 power of root x. So first I have to find out the y dash value which is equal to ln of 5 and I have to multiply with the 5 root x with it, and then here it was in root x, so I have to simply say it's 1 by 2. So simply I have to write 1 by 2 times of x and the power is 1 by 2, so I have to subtract 1 from it, so I got the value is negative 1 by 2. Now I have to rearrange it like this. So simple thing, first I have to write the 5 1 by the same, and second thing also I have to write the same, so it's a 5 power root x. The third thing, it was 1 by 2 x power of minus 1 by 2, so I have to write it like 1 by 2 times of root x. Now rearrange like ln 5 times of 5 root x over 2 root x. So it's a finalized answer for the question. Next question, I have to take fx value is ln of sin x. So simple thing, I have to find out the derivation of fx value. So simply I have to write f dash of x which is equal to, here I have to mention it was ln, so I have to simply write is 1 by sin x. So it's a 1 by sin x. And one more thing, if I differentiate the sin x, the value changes the cos x. Now I can say it's the value which is cos x over sin x. So you already know the value of cos x by sin x which is equal to cot x. So simply I have to write the answer, it was cot x. And the next question, I have to take y value which is equal to log tan 4x squared plus 3x plus 5. The same. First, I have to find out the differentiation of log of 10. I can simply write the whole value as the denominator. So simply I have to write the value as 1 over. I have to make all the value as denominator. So the 1 over. So log 10 I have to write as n10. And the same thing, it's a 4x squared. Simply I have to write the same answer. So 4x squared plus 3x plus 5. Now I have to differentiate the x terms. So it was a 4x squared, so I have to multiply it. It changes 4 times of 2. Sorry. So here I have to multiply it. So here the value was 4x squared. It was changes 4 times of 2. It's a 8x. And the second value it was 3x power 1. So it's a 3. And that value does not have any x value. So it's a 8x plus 3. So I can simply write the value which is equal to 8x plus 3 over ln of 10 times of 4x squared plus 3x plus 5. So it's a finalized answer for the question. Next one, I have to take the y value which is ln of cos x. The simple thing, I have to find out differentiation of the x. So simple, I have to write the value which is 1 by cos x. If I differentiate the cos x, the value which changes negative sin x. So simply you can write negative sin x over cos x. You already know sin x with cos x, which is equal to tan x, and there is one more negative sign is there, so it's a negative tan x. It's a finalized answer. And the next question, I have to take y value, which is ln of x over 3x minus 4. First thing, I have to rearrange it like this. So first, I have to rearrange it as ln of x minus of ln of 3x minus 4. After that, the same. So ln of x, I have to simply write 1 by x, and here the same. So I have to write 1 over 3x minus 4. And one more thing, here it was 3x, so I have to multiply with the term with the 3. Okay, so I can simply write the value, which is 1x minus of 1 over 3x, 3 over 3x minus 4. Now I have to do the cross multiplication. So the value changes. The first thing, I have to multiply 1 with the 3x minus 4. The same value is a 3x minus 4. And the second one, I have to multiply x with the 3. So it's a negative 3x over x times of 3x. They are given here. So x times of 3x minus 4. Now you can check if it was a positive 3x there and negative 3x there. Simply I have to cancel both terms. So the remaining value was minus 4 over x times of 3x minus 4. So it's the finalized answer for the question. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.